33 Painted Valley. We are one residential street away from a very impressive park with multiple fields and tons of playground equipment, workout equipment, and everything. So that can be a big draw. Very close to the freeway as well. So I tile at the entry, just at the entry. The walls, okay, there needs to be a repaint. Yeah. Behind these drapes, we have the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds that Jenny likes. I inquired about that, and I was told by the listing agent that there was a leak from the upstairs tub, and it has been fixed, and there are invoices. Carpet needs to be replaced. Cabinets look good. Lots of counter space. Tiles in fine condition. Carpets definitely have to be replaced. There's no light in this room, but I can say there's this wood that goes across. This is wallpaper, the plaid, and there's a sticker wallpaper at the top. The whole house probably needs to be repainted anyway, so ceilings are high, carpet's really pretty dirty, and you have a view to the backyard from here. So let's take a look at the backyard. Beautiful tile. That's a master, I believe. This is the room we just exited. So essentially you almost have this courtyard created by the pergola, the tile, and it does have this ceiling fan with a light kit. So as you can see, there is a lot of grass. We have some privacy from neighbors actually because of this oleander over here, this palm tree and this palm tree. There's no window there, and I don't know what's happening behind all of this. So as of now, we do have a somewhat private yard. The AC is fenced off, which is good when it's on the ground because, ooh, it's very muddy. Sometimes when animals go to the bathroom, they go on AC units, and that can be a little expensive to fix. So a little fence can fix that problem. Fireplace. Standard closet. Now here's the other room that has access to the outdoors. As you can see, there are the window treatments that we prefer already in place. Fan with the light kit. We have molding at the top, but carpets needs to be replaced and it needs to be repainted. There's tile in the wet area. There's that molding. There's a shower here as well. There's only an opener for the 2-car port, not the 3rd. In certain situations, I've heard Jenny say it's okay to not add the 3rd carport automatic opener because a lot of times in Las Vegas, that third slot is used for storage rather than for car parking. So if a tenant requests it, then it can be added. But until then, leave as is. It's a lot of built-in shelves. Of course, repaint, new carpets, French doors to what looks like another master. Sitting area over here with more built-ins. Whoa. Cabinets look good. Counters look good. Light fixtures look fine. Cabinets, counters, light fixture looks fine. They're really large rooms. Older looking fan. Really large closet. Those are not built-ins. They may be anchored in though. Wow. There's so much space and so much storage in this house. Incredible. Okay, that's the house.